Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you're all safe. This is breaking news right now. A tsunami warning has taken effect in the areas of Alaska and British Columbia. There has been a major earthquake, an 8.2 magnitude earthquake, according to what they are currently stating, that has taken place just off the coast of Alaska, and it has been felt for, some are saying 300 miles. On their Twitter page and on Google. They've come a massive earthquake off the coast of Alaska has triggered tsunami warnings, and they are watching right now as this news progresses. So, as of a few minutes ago, there has been a major earthquake in Alaska, and it has been felt for hundreds of miles, and it has prompted a tsunami alert. Now, I don't know why some are saying preliminary reports of 7.9, others are saying 8.0 and 8.1, but I'm going to go with the latest reports that have been updated that state an 8.2. You can find that on CNN.com, ABCnews.com, DailyExpress.com, and I just got a tweet in from the news. And Twitter.com is also reporting, the Twitter pages are reporting on this earthquake, along with the New York Times. Multiple news outlets just reporting this, that there has been a major earthquake off the coast of Alaska, and a tsunami warning is imminent. So, if you're in that area, I hope you're doing all right. See, these videos are coming in. There's live pictures showing a tsunami alert being issued. There's live images and videos coming in online right now. Canada covers the north coast, central coast, Vancouver Island, and the following areas. Police right now are knocking on doors as sirens are going off. People are heading to higher ground. The lines at gas stations are huge as people are trying to get fuel and prepare. And as you can see there, I just turned the notification sound off on my phone. But 1 minute ago, hold on. So this was just retweeted 13 seconds ago, and right now, 4 minutes ago, video is coming in live right now from this breaking news. So I just wanted to give this news to you as it's breaking. I hope you're staying safe, and I wish you all much love. These are the sirens going off right now. As the world news is talking about this.
From coastal areas and get to higher ground. Now, these are live pictures from Santa Monica, the west coast of the States, of course, which in the areas closest, which the quake hit at about a depth of 25 kilometers, according to the U.S. Geological Survey.
And people are sending their prayers, thoughts, and love. These are the sirens going off right now in Alaska.